Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2015 Maserati Quattroporte. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like leather upholstery, front dual-zone air conditioning, a headlight cleaning system, power moonroof, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and seat memory. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.